Hey guys, today let's learn how to view mutual friends on Snapchat. So if you guys would like to go ahead and view how many people or if you have any mutual friends on that Snapchat or on that person, all we need to do is to launch the Snapchat application. And once we're already here, I want you to proceed with accessing the Bitmoji on the top left corner or either your profile. So it's going to be right here. So now that we are on our profile, I want you to access your friends section. So over here on your friends section, tap on add friends. Now basically on the next screen, you will basically see names of users as you would see right here. Over here on added me, we also have quick add. Now most likely these people under quick add will basically allow you guys to quickly add them, and most likely you have some ties with them with other people. Now most likely you could also tap on their profile and see if you do know them, but most likely these people over on quick add are most likely people who you are acquainted with or are friends of other friends of yours. Essentially, those are your mutual friends, or you do have some mutual friends with them. And that's a quick telltale of how to view mutual friends on Snapchat. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and take care.